Hey guys, I got some inquiry from ECA Church complaining about their sound system problem. Since they started the online and physical service simultaneously, they've been having a big problem on the online service part, which is basically the sound is unmixed. Problems like acoustic guitar is not audible, the drum is too far away, the keyboard is too far away. So today, me and Eric from AVEM, we are here and we try to see what we can do for them. Let's go to the mixing console there, have a look. Okay, let me show you how the current system is like right now. Basically, whatever they mix for the front of house, they are also using it to fit into the live stream. So they got their master out from this channel here. So from here, they goes into this Xenix mixer. Actually, they are using this Xenix mixer as an interface. The output comes from the USB here, goes into the PC. They are also having some problem with this Xenix mixer because the signal is too hot, they say. Once they turn it up a little bit, they got too loud and distorted. Once they turn down a little bit, they got it too soft. So it's very difficult to work around with that Xenix mixer.
This is the proper setup for an audio system that's simultaneously mixing from the front of house, broadcast, and stage monitor. We have dedicated console to have dedicated mixing. However, in Evangel Christian Assembly Church, there is only one console to do 3 jobs simultaneously. They get perfect mixing for the FOH system, but not for the broadcast and the stage monitor. It is because the element of room acoustic and full range speaker response are taken into consideration during the front of house mixing. However, the same mixing will degrade the broadcast and the stage monitor mixing.
Okay, we would like to suggest that we are going to dedicate the first page, which is channel 1 to 16 for the front of house, and channel 17 to 32 for live stream, so that we can actually mix them individually without interrupting each other.
With only one mixer to work with, I improved the broadcast mixing by duplicating the same inputs into the second layer of XA2, which is the channel 17 to channel 32. This second layer is dedicated to mix for broadcast, while the first layer of channels is dedicated for a front of house mixing. This enables a separate level balancing and equalization that suits the respective application. I use the buses, matrices, and their own individual signal processing for the audio level balancing and the equalization for the stage monitor. With this, I am able to separate a single mixer into 3 individual mixers.
Okay, right now we are going to do line check. So we want to know which channel goes to which instruments. Now we will do the equalization. If we are not the professional sound engineer, I would recommend that we use the preset from the mixer. So from here we can pick the type of preset that we want, load it up, save it. If it gives you all the factory recommended high pass filters, EQ, compression, gate, and so on and so on. And you can also do sort of minor tweaking here and there, up to your taste during the rehearsal or even during the actual service. Now that the band has arrived and Patrick and Eric is doing the minor tweaking right now, they are doing some balancing with the iPad right there. Eric is on the board, and later on they will try to listen it from the Zoom and we'll continue to do the balancing. So I believe in time it will be better and better. Okay, if you have any question regarding about this topic, please put your question into the comment section below and we will try to answer you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to this channel if you like audio technology, sound and light, recording, musical instrument, and this is the place for you. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.